Eza batae. Ah, eza batae. Amakara bewani. Oh, okay, Shabbat. Abane to bube me. Ah, you guys, do you know what I think about that dance? That was a nice one. My daughter said, Mommy, don't post this, so you don't know how to dance. I said, I'm going to post my effort. I'm not going to allow it to waste. Please, let's go to the kitchen. I need to cook. Like, I'm enjoying this holiday better than my children. This Salah holiday, because tell me why I woke up after 7. Like, this has never happened since my kids resumed for school. I generally wake up around, sometimes if I do strong head, I'll wake by sometimes if I do strong head, I'll wake by 5:30. If I don't have any serious thing cooking, because especially the day I did not get to prep my meal before the next morning. So let's go and cook. I need to head to my shop. So you guys, this is my cooked soft beans, and here is goat meat. This is my parts that I want to use and fry the oil and also cook cocoa for my husband this morning. Here is my ingredient for the bean sauce. Here is my ingredients. Here I go in with my palm oil. This is a mixture of shombo, tatase, and pepper. Okay, habanero pepper, cayenne pepper, and what is the name of the other one? So let's go in with our pepper mix. We'll go in with my seasoning, my Maggi. Salt to taste. So we're going to allow it to fry for a bit. So I want to go in with our crayfish. Sorry, let's go in with our onions. Lastly, our crayfish. We are still going to cover and allow it to cook. So here is the meat I showed you guys previously, and also the sauce for the beans is ready. So I'm going to be scooping some inside this meat. Okay. So now this is pepper meat. So I am done with the pepper meat. So we are going to be mixing our sauce and the beans. We already cooked beans. So let's go in with it. Guys, look at that. I need to stir up everything together. Our porridge beans is ready. Now with a spoon, our beans is ready. You guys, our beans is ready. Our meat sauce is ready. Our okwa is ready. So you guys, this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoy watching. If you enjoy watching, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Okay, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So guys, this is me in my husband's shop, because I stopped by at his shop to give him his food, and I am applying lip gloss on my lips because my lips is so dried, and I didn't apply lip gloss earlier before I left the house. You guys can see from my previous clip. So this is Igbo man. Oh, he didn't even know that I have used it to capture him. So look at me smartly getting ready to go to my own shop, because I also carry my children's food. Hi guys, good morning. I just came out of the salon. Like, I went to wash my hair. Sorry I couldn't carry you guys along. I am going to make my hair today in the shop as usual. Yeah, so I'm going to shop. I'm here with my kids. We're heading to shop.
Hi guys.
Mommy, say hi guys.
Hi guys.
So we're heading to shop to make my hair. I'll carry you guys along, okay? So that you guys will rate my hair. Right? Hi guys, so this is the next day. Look at my hair. It is chuku and front. So I told you guys that I was going to carry you guys along so that you guys can rate my hair. So please, you're going to rate my hair in the comment section. Don't forget to rate my hair, okay? And I've made the right choice. So guys, I have to do this outfit of the day here, because I have to do this ootd here because there is no lights, okay? And yeah, I just thought I should show you guys my outfit. I'm going to a wedding. Yeah, I'm going to a wedding. Yeah, so this is my bag. I'm using this bag, and yeah, bye.